Okay, so here is this Lennox Elite Series heat pump running in heat mode. This is the only time I've ever seen this thing run in heat mode before. And that is actually ice at the bottom of it. I've never seen this thing run in heat mode before. And here's the 2019 Bryant. Something happened to its logo. I don't know where it went. Yeah, this thing's running in heat mode. So I guess this thing just runs in heat mode now. Never seen it run in heat mode before, but here it is. It's working okay. Suction lines are warm. Has this thing been running? I don't think this thing has actually been running. But yeah, this thing is running. So figured I'd make this little video of it, since I had never seen it run in heat mode before. So thanks for watching.